We arrived at Riggin Flight Service last night. Today was my first day, and as you can see, the weather is not amazing. It was actually a really nice morning. Like, the sun was out, it was warm, but then this crazy system moved in and socked us in, and so no flying for me today, unfortunately, but I am feeling so much better now that we're here. I went through some pre-flight stuff. I met my instructor. She's absolutely amazing. I love her. Her name is Anne. You'll be seeing much more of her here. But yeah, we went over all of the pre-flight stuff, checking the oil, adding oil to the airplane. I'm gonna be in a Cessna 172, a tricycle gear airplane, high wing. I'm so excited, and I feel like once I'm here, like after day one, I just feel way better about the whole thing. The one thing I am a little nervous about is the weather, because it's springtime in South Dakota, in the Midwest, and so I'm hoping that doesn't set me back too much. I'm still hoping to get this knocked out in like 3 weeks would be absolutely ideal. But yeah, between the weather and the wind, we'll see. So I got all set up in the system this morning, met my instructor, ran through some pre-flight stuff, and unfortunately didn't get to fly, as I said, because of this weather. But I'm feeling good. Like, I got the system down. I know the schedule. We get a schedule every night of what the next day looks like. So our flight time, wheels up time, and then I go by that. And then I will eventually be able to be pre-flighting the airplane by myself, getting it all ready so that I can just meet my instructor at whatever time, and then we'll go fly. We also sat in the airplane and did all of the checklists, and that felt really good. It felt way more simple when you're sitting there looking at everything than trying to imagine it or looking at something online in a book. So I'm just feeling way better about all of this. Like, I had a ton of nerves coming into this. I was probably more nervous than I was excited, but now that I've sat in the airplane and I've looked at everything in front of me, it just all is kind of clicking and making a lot more sense. One thing I was really nervous about is that I took my written exam a year ago. I didn't mean to put off the flying for a year, but that's just kind of how it happened. I thought I was gonna forget a bunch of stuff, but I feel like it's kind of all slowly coming back to me. There are definitely some things that I'm going to have to review and look at, but for the most part, I'm feeling pretty good. Talk to me tomorrow after we fly for the first time, and I may be freaking out, but as of right now, I'm really excited to start flying and get up in the air. If you know Tyson and I, you know that we're pretty cheap and we have a van. So instead of renting a place here for like $1,200 for a month, we just decided we'll live in the van. It'll be great. We do that all the time. It's not super warm out, obviously, for my attire. But we do have some amazing beta. There's a community center in town here, and they have a hot tub. So I'm guessing that's where Tyson is going to be living for the next 4 weeks. And we plan on spending most of our evenings in the hot tub at the community center, and then showering, and then retreating to the van. But today, day one, been awesome. I'm so excited for tomorrow. I will update you guys tomorrow with hopefully some clips from the air. That'd be so cool. I can't wait. Thanks for watching. I still need to come up with a slogan. Tyson's is fly low, fly fast. Mine's gonna be different than that, so we're working on it. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. We're gonna go get in the hot tub. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.